I bet you didn't know just how much water a dehumidifier bag can pull out of your wardrobe, guys. Look how helpful that is. I used to suffer, and still slightly do, with moisture buildup in my wardrobes. I've had loads of people trying to tell me I need a builder, or I need this, I need that, I need the other. It's just a problem that has always occurred in my property. In my wardrobes, there isn't great air circulation, so moisture builds up, and my clothes used to have that slight dampish feel. However, after getting the dehumidifier bags, I keep them in my wardrobes, and I also have one up by my window. These have sorted the problem. I change them every couple of weeks. They've been an absolute godsend. Game changer. I've linked them in the basket. They're cheap as hell. Get yourself some for the winter.